Hello students, how are you? In this video we are going to learn standard 7th English, okay? And the lesson number 1.4, the King Choice, okay? In this lesson we are going to learn the story of Lion King. This is a very interesting story, and this story about Lion King and his courtier. The Lion King was a smart and intelligent king. He chose his courtiers based on their qualities. He was adventurous. Once he wanted to taste camel meat, so he would have to go into the desert to do so. He was foolish when he believed the cunning vulture. In the end, he showed himself to be intelligent when he saw through the plan of his courtiers. He revealed his kind heart when he protected the innocent camel who had saved his life. Okay. Now let's start the lesson. There was once a lion who was king of the forest. He was big and strong and very fierce. Fierce means aggressive or violent, very angry person. All the other animals in the forest called him king. They brought him gifts from every corner of the forest. But the more of the lion had, the more he wanted. A king must have a court, he said to himself one day. One day he decided he is a king, so he must have a court. Okay. He called a fox to his side. The fox was very clever, and wise, so he was selected by the king to be his advisor. You are known to be a wise and clever creature, fox, said the lion. I want you to be my advisor. The Lion King selected fox to his advisor. Advisor means a person who gives advice. The fox was loyal to the king and obeyed him at all times. Okay. Thank you, your majesty, said the fox, bowing low. Bowing low means to bend in greeting a person. Or namaskar. Okay. The lion next called a leopard to his side. You are known to be watchful and swift of foot, leopard. I want you to be my bodyguard. Now, King Lion appointed leopard as his bodyguard. Bodyguard means a bodyguard should be fit and strong to protect his king from harm. Bodyguard means a person who employed to protect somebody. Okay. Swift of foot means very quick in moving and running. You have seen the bodyguard of our prime ministers or our chief ministers, okay, on television or any other well-known persons, okay. Then the lion called a vulture to his side. You are a bird, vulture, and can fly high. You are to be my messenger. Messenger means a person who gives message called messenger, okay. Thank you, your majesty, said the vulture, bowing low. Okay. The fox and the vulture and the leopard took an oath of loyalty. Oath of loyalty is a formal promise. Okay. The king promised to give them food and protection. King promised them these three animals to give them food and protection. Okay. For some time all went well in the court of the Lion King. The three courtiers never opposed to the king. The three courtiers never opposed the king. His wishes were laws. Whenever he rode, they stood in awe Awe means fear or mingled with respect. Okay, and oppose means disagree with. Okay. Whenever he took to walk, they followed him. All three courtiers, what they do? They obey all the whatever King Lion said, and they follow him. Okay. When the Lion King went hunting, they found of animals for him to kill. These three courtiers were loyal to the king and obeyed him at all times. They were probably afraid that he would otherwise kill them. So they obey him. Okay. When the Lion King went hunting, they found the animals for him to kill. And after he had his meal, he left the remains for them. So they always had enough to eat. Okay. One day the vulture came back from flight. Flight means flying through air. Okay. Because vulture is a bird. Your Majesty, have you ever eaten a camel? He asked. It is very tasty. I ate it once in the desert. You know desert area, there is no a region without water or trees, and there is a sand everywhere. You know about it. Okay. But where can we get a camel? He asked. He asked means Lion asked. There is a desert some miles away, said the vulture. I was flying over it when I saw a lone camel not far away. It looked big and fat. Okay. The lion had never seen a camel, but he liked the idea of trying camel's meat. Why lion had never seen the camel? Any idea? Okay. The lion had never seen a camel because lion lived in a forest and camel lived in a desert. So they can't see each other. The lion looked at his other advisors. Now the lion take other advisors, advice from other advisors. Where they went to the desert, they were wise and experienced. He wanted their opinion. Now the fox and the leopard did not know the desert because they also live in a jungle or forest. But they did not want the vulture to be seen wiser than them. So they said since it was the vulture's idea, he would lead the way. They don't oppose the king. When the vulture spoke about going to desert to kill an animal, the fox did not want to show his ignorance. Okay, he did not know about desert. He did not saw camel, how the animal look like. He was no knowledge about it. So he agreed to the plan. This show he did not wanting to admit his lack of knowledge. Who did not want to show his lack of knowledge? Fox. Okay. In fact, as the advisor, he should not have to allow the king to go to the hot desert, but he did not want to show his ignorance. He did not want to admit his lack of knowledge. So he agreed with the vulture and lion king. Early next morning, the lion and his court started off on the camel's hunt. Okay. They reached the edge of the desert easily, but after they left the shelter of the forest, the day becomes very hot. The sun shone down with fire-hot rays. Their travel in the forest is very easy because there are lots of trees and plants. Okay, but in desert area, the day become very hot. The sun shone down with fire hot rays. Okay, this type of climate is not suitable for these animals who lived in a forest. Okay. Now remaining part of the lesson is we will see in the next video. Till then, bye.